Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I will show you how you can make your photos look more professional like you see on your Instagram. You can do the same without much effort. You can make your photos to look like this. So if you are new here, do subscribe and check out my other videos after this one. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, all you need is an app called Adobe Lightroom. You can go to your Play Store and download that app. Now we will launch the app, and at the bottom right you can tap on the discover feature. Check out all the photos by other creators and search for the one you like and tap on it. Now you can see all the edits that the creator has done on that photo. Tap on edit and scroll down at the bottom. You will see save as preset. Tap on it and save the preset, or you can go to three dot menu at the top right corner and tap on save as preset. Before moving on, one important thing, there may be some photos which does not have save as preset. Don't worry, just check out the other photos which have. Now we will go back to the app's home page and add all the photos we want to edit. After adding, we will go to all photos and tap on the photo we want to edit. Now under the preset you will see all the saved presets, and when you tap on any of them you will see the same effect and color when you save them. Now select the one which is suited for your photo. As for my photo, I like this one, so I will be selecting this preset. Now you can adjust the values of this preset, or you can directly export the photo and upload it on your social accounts. So that's how you can change your photo to look like more professional without much effort. So that's it from my end. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then do like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and also check out my other videos. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.